thousands of Jewish people all over the world practicing some form of Buddhism. For most of them, it's merely a philosophy, but for some of them, it's even a religion. Oh, they're still Jews, but now they call themselves Jews, Buddhist Jews. Why would these intelligent people become involved with such a strange Eastern religion? They've been taught that this world is an empty illusion and that our desires hold us to this illusion. In order to come to peace, we must release our desires. We'll come to the great peace, and then we will be able to hear the wondrous sound of one hand clapping. What is this strange sound of one hand clapping? Is this it? No, that's just you clapping your own hand against yourself. And these Jews have been taught the doctrine of no self. So then is this the sound of one hand clapping? Watch. No, that's not a sound. That's just you clapping your hand against the infinite emptiness that surrounds and fills everything, and from where everything comes. That's not the sound of one hand clapping. Then what is this wondrous, mysterious sound? Listen carefully. You'll hear it now. Watch. Did you hear it? This, all this, it's all one. All creation is one. And this world, is it really just an empty illusion? The Torah says, if you use it properly, it's a gorgeous opportunity. And those desires that hold you to the world, the Torah says some of them look great.